נוספים בנושא בטיחות טיסה, הנכם מתבקשים לעיין בדפי המידע הנמצאים בכיס המושב שלפניכם. בשם ארקיה, קווי תעופה ישראליים, הקברניט וצוות המטוס, אנו מודים לכם על תשומת הלב ומאחלים לכם טיסה נוחה ומהנה. תודה.
Ladies and gentlemen, shalom and welcome aboard Arkia's flight Boeing 757. Please remain seated, bring your seatbacks to upright position and close the folding tables in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelts prior to takeoff and landing and as long as the seatbelt warning light is on. Passengers traveling with infants should fasten their own seatbelts only and hold the infant without placing them in a seatbelt. For your personal safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened while you are seated in the aircraft throughout the flight. We draw attention to the flight door, which require that you close mobile telephones, compact discs, communication equipment, and any other wireless equipment or games. This equipment may not be operated at any time during the flight. According to flight regulations, smoking is strictly prohibited while passengers are in the aircraft. Please note that the toilet compartments are equipped with smoke detectors. Present smoking in the toilets are infringing flight regulations and endangering the safety of all passengers. Oxygen masks are located in the compartments above your head. The masks will be released automatically if air pressure is reduced inside the cabin. In such a case, pull down the mask, place it against your face, and cover your mouth and nose. Then, secure it with the elastic band behind your head and continue to breathe normally. If you are traveling with children, put on your own oxygen mask first and only then help the children put on their masks. In this aircraft, an inflatable life vest is located in a compartment above your head or under your seat, as indicated by the sign in front of you. If necessary, put on the life vest and tighten the fastenings. The life vest should be inflated only after leaving the aircraft. To inflate the life vest, pull the red handles. In this aircraft, there are 12 emergency exits, 6 on each side. In the event of an emergency, the emergency exits and access to them will be marked by lighting located on the floor and near the exit. Ladies and gentlemen, in case of an emergency, you must assume a safe position. Place your head on your knees, cross your arms under your knees, and stretch out your legs before you. If you are unable to sit in this position, cross your arms on the back of the seat in front of you and rest your forehead on your hands. For your personal safety, please take care when opening the compartments above your head and ensure that objects do not fall out. For further instructions regarding flight safety, please look in the information leaflet located in the seat pocket in front of you. On behalf of Arkia Israeli Airlines, the captain and crew, we thank you for your attention and wish you a comfortable and enjoyable flight. Thank you.